Hello guys, welcome to the second phone. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to provision the 3CX app for Android on 3CX V18. So without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. Okay, so as you can see I'm at the 3CX management console, and of course I'm going to have to log in. And as you can see, I'm at the dashboard. So first of all, I'm going to go into users, and just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to create a new extension. So I'm going to call it 9004. The first name is 3CX. The last name is video 5, and the email address will be test5@test.com. We're going to leave everything at default, and we're just going to click on OK. And now we're going to head back into the extension. Now as you can see, there is a QR code on our right hand side saying scan this QR code from the 3CX Android or iOS app to provision it for this extension. So simply, all I'm going to do is, I'm going to grab out my phone, and simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach up to my phone and scan the QR code. And you can see I am now provisioned. So just to check this out, I'm just going to dial *777 and call it. Hello.
Hello.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
As you can see, it works.
It worked.
And that's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you would like to request a video, please leave your comments in the comment section below, or you can check out our Discord server, Twitter and Instagram pages, which are the links in the video description. Join us next week where I'll be teaching you how to create a digital receptionist and how to create an IVR menu. But with that, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next week.